AI-driven automated outbound emails. All you need to know. AnyBiz. Crafting automated outbound emails is an artful balance of technology and human understanding. Businesses embark on a journey to merge automation and AI seamlessly into their email strategies, aiming for efficiency and genuine connection with their audience. 1. Segmentation. Divide your audience based on demographics, behaviors, and preferences. 2. Goal setting. Clearly define objectives for each campaign. 3. Content creation. Craft engaging content that provides value beyond sales. 4. Personalization with AI. Use AI to personalize emails for each recipient. 5. Visual design. Create visually appealing templates that reflect your brand. 6. Automated sequences. Set up automated email sequences based on customer actions. 7. Testing and refinement. Test different elements and gather feedback for continuous improvement. 8. Iterative enhancement. Analyze metrics and refine campaigns over time with AI's insights. 5 tools for automating outbound emails. 1. AnyBiz redefines sales automation with advanced AI, offering Intelligent Sales Agent. Learns and adapts in real time for refined lead generation. Data-driven insights. Analyzes over 10,000 data points hourly for cutting-edge strategies. Continuous improvement. Enhances sales efficiency with each campaign. Benefits. Elevated lead quality. Generates high-quality leads for better conversions. Scalability and efficiency. Scales efforts without diminishing returns. Informed strategies. Empowers tailored strategies for enhanced outcomes. Strategic advantage. Keeps businesses ahead in the evolving B2B landscape. 2. Cognism. They offers data-driven prospecting. Access-rich B2B contact data for targeted outreach. Real-time sales triggers. Receive alerts on prospects' significant events for timely conversations. AI-powered engagement. Utilize AI to recommend optimal outreach times, increasing email engagement. 3. Outreach. They offers sequencing mastery. Automate follow-ups and customize communication with advanced email sequencing. Integration harmony. Seamlessly sync with multiple CRM platforms for streamlined sales strategies. Analytics and optimization. Gain deep insights into campaign performance to refine and optimize email strategies continuously. 4. HubSpot Sales Hub offers comprehensive suite. Access sales and marketing tools in one place, simplifying outbound email management, personalization, tailor emails at scale for higher engagement, seamless integration, integrate with other HubSpot products for a unified customer journey. 5. LinkedIn Sales Navigator offers targeted outreach. Connect with decision makers and influencers through LinkedIn's professional network. InMail Advantage, personalized outreach via LinkedIn InMail. Advanced search, streamlined prospecting with AI-driven recommendations and sophisticated search filters. Email best practices, compelling content. Use inviting subject lines and engaging content. Timing matters. Send emails when your audience is most receptive. Segment your audience. Tailor emails based on audience preferences. Follow rules. Adhere to email regulations to maintain sender reputation. AnyBiz simplifies email marketing, all in one platform. Access all your email tools in one place. Seamless sequencing. Ensure emails are sent out timely and in order. Effortless personalization. Tailor messages easily to your audience. User-friendly. AnyBiz is intuitive and easy to use, allowing focus on content creation. With AnyBiz, email marketing feels like a conversation, ensuring your messages connect with your audience on a personal level without any hassle. Just before you go, take a moment to show your support. Give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe to stay in the loop with our latest releases.